Hey kiddos, Mrs. Dahl here with another Math Minute. Today we're going to talk about numbers all the way up to 120, and we're going to look at place value. You can see I have my 120 number chart. So instead of just going to 100 like a hundreds chart, it has two more tens all the way up to 120. So let's take a look at something we've worked with before. This is our place value mat. So when we have numbers all the way up to 120, we have different digits. The number 120 has 3 digits, and each digit has a value. This value is 0 because it's in the ones place. This value, 2, has more than a value of 2. Because it's in the tens place, it has a value of 2 tens, which is 20. And because this number 1 is in the hundreds place, it has a value of 100. Let's take a look at some numbers and what they look like on a place value chart. Let's look at the number 36. If I put 36 into our place value chart, I know that because 6 is on the right, it has a value of 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 3 is in the column left to the 6, it has a value of 3 tens, which is 30. So the value of this 3 tens is 30. The value of the 6 ones is 6. So 30 plus 6 equals 36. We can also know that by counting on. When we have tens, we count by tens. When we get over to the ones, we cannot count by tens anymore because the value is 1 over here. So we stop and we count on by ones, like this. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36. Let's look at another number. $73. If I put that into my place value chart, I know that this 3 has a value of 3 ones. This 7 has a value of 7 tens. Which makes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So the value of this 7, because it's in the tens, is 70. The value of this 3, because it's in the ones, is 3. So 70 plus 3 equals 73. We can also count that. Counting by tens here in the tens column, stop and count on by ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. 73. Let's try one more number. $96. So if we look at our 120 chart, 96 is close to 100. It is in the 90s, and all the numbers in the 90s start with a 9. That means they have 9 tens. The value of the ones is 6 because it's in the ones. So I have 6 ones, and I have 9 tens. So when I count by tens, I get 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And I know that 6 ones simply has a value of 6. So 90 plus 6 equals 96. We can also count. Counting by tens, stop. Counting on by ones when we get to the ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. Next time we'll look at numbers in the 100s. And so we'll need to add a column onto our place value chart. Ones, tens, and then hundreds. Bye for now.